Yeah, man, big up every woman we have a man and every man we have a woman. You see, them say age is just a number. I just we in Jamaica just pray when somebody like a woman, a big woman and a youth, as a young youth and them a deal. And we are just Jamaican pre them thing then, but you don't know say some part in the world people don't watch age and them thing for the person them not underage everything good no man. So on the depon, welcome forward to Sandy and Bonez TV and the next banging video from Queenie and him June Plum Love. Big up yourself, Dewey. I don't know say the man we are sending a message and I tell you if you left your Empress and thing. Bad man them bad man, you know. Yeah man, them say you're happy and I live your life and thing. And I know they swim around business you are deal with. I don't know if you eat the wrong food or about. You don't know how the youth like you live him life and enjoy himself. Enough of we as a ghetto youth, we want a break for leave from the ghetto and can fly upon the iron bird and experience certain things. So people have stop bash the youth and forward upon the thing and discriminate the young warrior and thing. But sometimes Queenie give you too much information to pan mouse you see. And the ladies them when on a man and just ease off of the juvenile man and stop make certain comment and say yo, him gonna leave you for young girl and thing. The man know what he want in a life, you see it, and you can't decide for the man and not pre all kind of things. A bad man sometimes on a bad mind, yeah man, and true you can't find nobody to show no love and them things there. Yeah man, and just like on a finger control on the phone and them things and type all kind of things, you see me? Yeah man, sometimes I on the brain on not work off and I just on the finger and the lip, you see me? Yeah man, load the people and let them live their life. Just sometimes I don't feel just worry about phone a relationship or just go find a relationship and start out in a life, you see me? Yeah man, so yeah, but we go forward in the video and we can hear Queen here say just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe, you see me? Up top.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
When I stop hope for my life, hope him not left me, hope him not find young girl. Love him man. When I give him a break now man.
I hope them name hope.
On the love you
I
know
no
man,
faith.
I don't hope nothing, we're alright. I God put you together, no young, old, nor nothing. I don't think a young girl alone want to thief him. When I love him man. Stop hope last night when a man a message him and tell him if this queen, you know stop it man. It's alright, we're living good and we take it one day at a time, sweet.
Sweet Jesus.
Yes, tomorrow's no promise. So when you not sit down and say I'm not meet young girl and so you see me and do me, that's my husband, you know.
You say them a listen to them too, you know, I listen to them, you know. Cause them
Life
and them
is not on Instagram, you know. When you get to a 1 hour, 2 hour, that's not your life, you know. You need to understand that, you know. Our life now compare internet, you know. So when you giving a little attention, a little attention, that's not our life. So we constantly, young girl, we're not frightened over nobody but ourselves. Do we frighten over me and me frightened over it? We're excited over one another. I'm a humble dad.
crazy, never lazy.
Yeah. He's a humble dad and I'm a loud dad. Open fine, young girl.
I'm in the street of Britain, mate. Crazy loud them no man come off of them. Look. Ha 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 ha.
I do even love you. You know the bush are sharp. Put her in. Yeah, at the end of a good day, man. And just enjoy the little flow, man, and stop the Lord the youth every minute to not tell it.
All who never come to England,
Do
you
it
see
then.
England, mate.
Yeah.
And say thanks to me, because I took the early morning walk.
Yeah.
No one phone on the life, they even know the street look. Morning.
1 minute. Okay, yeah, carry go shop. You know, even though them I say if you carry them go shop, I now realize say you can't go up on the live and carry them go shop, do it?
That's how I make them. You didn't drop it. I don't see. Hey.
You know, in my pocket, baby.
Alright, when I come back, you open the door.
No, I won't. Yes, baby, I will. You know I will. I come downstairs. Yeah. Outside ride. One connects a boss, my husband that. Do is not all of them. Street of Britain, mate. In the early morning, do it. June Plum husband is going to the shop. Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Oh, what a beautiful day.
Okay. Don't put the camera up and not on the floor, darling. Up, yes. Up, baby. Up more, I could see the sky. Nice. Yes, not just the sky. Right, baby. See that now? Ray. That's great. England in the morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It
All Una, we sorry for you.
I love you, Dewey.
I love you, crazy.
No, baby, I miss you. Just hurry up and come.
Well,
That's
then,
mine you lost.
we can't last. What happened to Uno? I'm not showing it no more. Hey, outside cow. I can't even get already. Right?
You get me, mate? If I buy paper with that, no, it's that paper I might buy. I guess another same Jamaican red fat China whistle it do it like. China whistle them there.
That's what the man them say to rob you. I don't know about that. Yeah. Alright, the difference is I can't feel my hands sometime. And due to the fact that I cannot feel my hands, me used to them white whistler. Me not used to the brown whistler them cause what they them company on the market. I mean I give it where me know, where me not know about. That's how me know about from me I grew and see.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.